Welcome guys, welcome to How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this great Alexa device, that how you can know that why it's just blinking a green light over here. Many times it happens with us, and that's happened with me too, but we think that why this light is blinking and why what that Alexa device is want to tell you. But I'm going to tell you that how you can check that all things and what are these. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now if your Alexa's ring light is blowing in a green color, that means there is any notifications about your Amazon account that
Here's something I found
Alexa
on the web.
stop. Many time it happens with us that it's showing that your product is shipped, or you ordered that is coming on delivery, or many time it shows you bill due bills or anything like this, your mobile phone recharge, etc. Now how you can know and what is this? Now you have to just wake up your Alexa and call it, Alexa, show me my notifications.
No new notifications. Here is one recent one.
Yes, as you can see in front of you that Alexa is not telling you right now any notifications. If this its green light is just blowing, that means you have any notifications, and Alexa will tell you about that. Hope you understand that what is the meaning of a green light and how you can wake your Alexa for removing this green light. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.